Hey guys, welcome back to SamResolve. In this video, we're going to talk about how to move your project from one computer to another. Since DaVinci Resolve works on Windows and Mac, so both systems work the same way and the files they share is also the same. Whether you're coming from Windows or Mac and you want to move your project cross-platform or cross-operating system, you can do that. So here's how you do it. So let's say this is my project. This is obviously my last video and I want to move this project from Windows to Mac, and all I have to do is go up here to File, Project Manager or Shift 1. Let's click on Project Manager and then we have our Project Manager pops up, and what we're gonna do is right click our project and we're gonna hit Export Project Archive and we're gonna hit it, and it's gonna pop up a file explorer asking you where you want your project to be. And then let's say I want to export it to my desktop. Let's create a new folder. Let's name it Project Migrate. Let's go inside our Project Migrate and then we hit Save. And it's gonna pop up another window asking you what files that you want to migrate. So media files and random cache is ticked on default, but you can change that. For example, I don't want the render cache and I want just the proxy media. Maybe I'm transferring my project to edit on the way, on the road, or someplace in the future. And then after my editing, I want to come back to this computer and export it. Or your main file is in a hard disk and you can just take a hard disk with you and you don't need to copy the original media files. You can just click on Project Media. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm gonna copy all my media and hit OK. This thing will pop up saying I do not have enough space on my desktop. So let's change to another place. And that thing pops up is because my media files is kind of huge. So right now I'm just go back in, export project archive. In the same location, we're gonna hit save. And this time, because our files are too big, we're gonna just proxy media and uncheck the original media file. We're gonna hit OK. So what DaVinci Resolve is doing right now is that it is transcoding all my media into proxy files and then save it to the folder that I pick or you choose. And we're just gonna wait until it's done. Let's drink a coffee while you wait. And by the way guys, I just got back from Brunei where my hometown is. Right now I'm in Guangzhou. And I also moved my desk from my bedroom into a new room, which is my editing room right now, or gaming room, you can call it. This is my desk setup. You can take a photo right here. It's a little cozy space for me and my work of to game. And right now, still got a lot of things to set up. And by the time it's done, I'll show you guys again if you guys interested in my setup. So guys, the project is done. We're gonna hit close, minimize our DaVinci Resolve, and then we can go to our project migrate. And this is the project archive. Okay, you can check this. It is currently 27 gigs of file size, and then all you have to do is copy this somewhere. Copy this or cut it, and you can, copy it to your hard disk or somewhere where you want to move, or maybe you want to edit abroad or anywhere. You can copy this and move it wherever you like. So we're just gonna copy this into my hard disk and then let it run for a little bit. It should be fast. So my file is done copying right here, and right now I'm gonna teach you how to open it at another computer. One is you can just go to your folder, double click on the DRF folder, and then there's a project.drp. You can just double click this one and Resolve will automatically open the project for you. It says importing project. Now when it's done, it's just all magically appears. Everything is done. And the second way is that let's exit our DaVinci Resolve and launch it again. So let's say you're at another computer, you're on your Mac OS or your another Windows PC. All you need to do is right click here and then restore project archive. Click on it And we're gonna navigate to our project migrate and then double click the DRF file and click open. And there you go. It's gonna appear right here. DaVinci Resolve notes explain. It is done right here. And sometimes you will have a lot of missing files and folders. All you have to do is go up here to the link here, Relink Media, click on it, and then you're gonna locate your missing clips, and you're gonna navigate back to your project migrate folder because everything is already transcoded in the folder. So let's go project migrate here, and right here in the media files and also proxy media, we can just select this folder and Resolve will find the matching media. And that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave it down in the comment box below. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video and also consider subscribing. I will be posting a lot more DaVinci Resolve tutorial. And thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.